This tips is for the youth couples that are in Uyo, that are serving in Uyo, or you are a visitor in Uyo. Let me tell you for free. I know they are going to ask me for this, but I will tell you for free. Before you do anything with a guy, before you date any boy, any man in Uyo, go to his Facebook and check whether he's among the Uyo Facebook community guys. That's if he engage in everything that happens in Uyo. He's always posting back to back, he talks a lot on Facebook. He's Uyo community guy. Avoid him, because once he shop your bona finish, he is going to tell all his niggas, all his clique, that I have shop at Unibanado. Yes. Now, if you're kind of girl that, okay, you feel like, okay, we should go on the first date. Uyo boys don't do first date. They don't even know what is first date. First date is in their house. That first date, you will cook for them. In fact, if care is not taken, you will wash their clothes, and you must spend a night that first date. So if you have this mentality of fancy restaurants, okay, let's go out, and no, not my Uyo brother, so please. And if you want to make it, you are looking for a man to support you, and you think, Uyo boy, you support, lie. But you see those Igbo men in Akwa Ibom, in Uyo, don't worry, just go for them. Even though those ones are kiss and tell, they are also kiss and tell, but they will support you. They will rent house for you, give you boutique, give you restaurant, anything you want to do, they are going to support you, and they are going to make you chop their money. Leave my it's your boys. God. If they carry you house, catfish and star rattler, finish. If they take you out, don't go and be ordering for big things. So please, just order catfish and malt. Hollandia yogurt. That's what they can afford for you. When I say Igbo men, I'm not saying those Igbo men that have a big car, no. Those Igbo men that are selling spare parts, motor spare parts, or those ones that are working in mechanic village, or those ones in Nepal line that are selling household stuff, selling building materials, selling televisions. Those are the ones that will spend on you. And if you think if you jam our politician in Uyo, they will spend on you. Run! That's what I will tell you. I'll be chairman. No. You see those chairman? They will knock you, tell all their friends that they have knocked you, and their friend will also knock you. They will not give you shishi. If you are lucky, they collect self-contained for you. If you are lucky, they collect self-contained for you. I'm telling you, see the politicians, they are greedy and stingy. So don't go there. I'm telling you for